Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Going to Barili. Starting 5:15 in the morning. Let's go. 5:14 in the morning. Hey. Solo ride with myself. Solo pa with myself pa. Let's go.
Paggatas. Oh.
Morning. Vlog. Hi guys. Update, I'm in Talisay right now and it is exactly 5:45. Yes, 5:45. And I am expected to arrive at 7:30 at car, and I hope that I can arrive at around 11 or 10 o'clock in Barili. And today is an exciting day. Let's go and watch and subscribe. Yeah. So see you guys around. Bye. Whoop. 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 Good morning guys, news update. I'm at Naga right now and I'm thinking that it is already 6:30 in the morning and there's a long way to go, and I hope see you again in the next clip. Let's go. Jollibee. 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 easy lang. Keeping my sugar high so that I can have extra noodle. Bit of tired. See you. Yes, goodbye. Hangak na. Where's Ahon? Bye-bye. Did you get that? What's up, guys? Still in the city of Chicharon and Ampao car, and I'm still in the uphill, very uphill, uphill and very gnarly. I hope I can pass through Barili and go to Mantayupan so that I just want to take some photo of the beautiful falls and see you. So what's up, guys? After many hours of downhill and from car, and we're finally here at Mantayupan Falls, and look at the hanging bridge. And I arrived at exactly 9, yes, almost 9, and I am here alone in the Mantayupan Falls, and yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy the view. Look at that, and I'm gonna climb up there and look at the overview so that I can see some more of the view. It was an early ride, and I can't vlog the going back to city because I don't have extra battery because I left it at home, and I'm just gonna send you and give you some view. What can you expect here at the Mantayupan Falls? This view is insane! Majestic waterfall, let's go! Yo! Look at that view! Oh my god! Oh my... And it's so it's so gnarly. Whew. So the falls is up there after the hanging bridge, then there is a little falls down here, and which is good and which is beautiful, but the upper fall is so majestic that you can't even compare it to Kawasan, because Kawasan is so crowded right now because of the tourism, and Mantayupan is, I think it is also underdeveloped, and it haven't catch many attention yet, but the falls itself is so majestic. The people around is so good, generous, and they welcome bikers, and I'm having a great time here. But on my way back to Cebu, I will not vlog, because I can't vlog because I don't have extra battery, and before I will go to Cebu, vlogging to Cebu, going back to Cebu, I will eat my breakfast first, because I only have eaten 3 pieces of bread and a soft drinks for a sugar. But right now it is currently 9:30, and I guess it's going to be a hell lot of uphill, and I really hate it, because it's almost 1 hour of downhill from Milk Station to Barili itself. And I'm gonna start riding my bike. Hey, my bike. So if you have time, if you can go to Barili or visit South, you can always check out Mantayupan Falls. It's only 40 pesos entrance, and you can only sightseeing and watch the falls, because currently they are not allowed. We are the people around are not allowed yet to operate or swim under the falls. But if I have time, Mantayupan, I will be back there and up there, yeah. So goodbye, see you for our next video. Bye. This is Gnarly. Subscribe. Woo! Good morning, guys. I'm eating my breakfast, and it is almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and I am fighting against the legendary meal of the century, which is the sisig from 7-Eleven. Nita. Asa na ni pagka-play. Woohoo. Tinuod gud ang myth. Tinuod gud ang legend. It's not nito. Lisod gud siya ablihan. Sa may garimo ni packaging ani. Okay, nito eh. Yeah. Thank you 7-Eleven for after long ride. Oh, inita. Woo, woo. Look at the steam. Look at the steam. You cannot see, but I can really see. Look at the steam. So in it. So ugly looking meal. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Stang inita. Nagpadayon ba ko ani akong bisyo?